In the previous video, we calculated the percentage for each student for test 1. Now we can quite easily work out the average for the whole class, as well as see how many students were absent or failed for this particular test. So to do that, we can go to the formula bar and then choose your average formula. You can get more functions in the formula builder here, and you can just search if it doesn't pop up on one of your shortcuts. So we're going to insert that, and then it must get the average for this whole array, column F. And now we've got the average for the class for test 1. If we want to count how many students were absent, we basically need a count of all these A's, and to do that we use the countif function, and we can insert the function. The range will be column E, and my criteria will be to look for the A. Just remember to use the quotation marks when you work with text. So now it counted this whole column, and it's told me there's 4 students that were absent. The file is basically the same. We do a count. The range will then be column F, and let's say our pass fail mark is below 50%, so my criteria will be smaller than 50%. So I can see 13 students failed the test. The same for pass, I can add that there. Range is the same, column F. And as criteria I say bigger or equal to 50%, and 33. So the same for how many students passed the test with distinction. So let's do that one. And then for that criteria, that will be bigger or equal to 80%. And we can see 16 students got the distinction. So this way we can easily get some stats from our test 1. Thank you. In the next video I will show you how to filter these student names that were absent or failed. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the information useful. Let me know in the comments if there's any other topics you would like me to cover, and to remember to hit the subscribe button.